Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Do you have an audio file and want to make a stunning video using AI? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to create a professional video using the best AI video maker straight from an audio file. Whether you're looking to create content for YouTube, Instagram, or any platform, this tool will help you bring your ideas to life. No special skills needed. So, grab your laptop and let's dive into this exciting journey together. Step 1. Signing up and uploading audio. First, head over to the link I've shared in the description. Signing up is simple, just use your Google account. Once you've logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. Now, let's start by uploading an audio file. This could be your voice recording, a podcast snippet, or even the audio from an existing video. Click Proceed and upload your file. As you can see, the AI automatically transcribes your audio into text. This is the script we'll use to create the video. Step 2. Preparing your script. Next, copy the text from the transcription and paste it into the editor. Here, you can make manual edits, highlight key phrases, or adjust the formatting to suit your style. Once everything looks good, click Proceed. Step 4. Customizing your video. Now we're in the video editing page. Here, you have full control over your video. Let's make some changes to the font size, position, and background color to match the tone of the content. Once you're happy with your adjustments, click Apply to all slides. This ensures consistency across your video. Want to change a particular slide? Simply click on the slide, go to the Visual section, and search for relevant videos or images. You can even trim or cut scenes to highlight the perfect moment. Step 5. Syncing your voiceover. Next, let's sync your voiceover with the video. Drag and drop your audio file into the Audio section, and the AI will automatically sync it with the slides. If it needs fine-tuning, you can manually adjust the timing for each slide. Step 6. Adding music and transitions. Background music can elevate your video. This AI tool offers a massive library of tracks for every mood and genre. Pick a song that matches your video's vibe and apply it effortlessly. Want to make your video even more dynamic? Add transitions between slides to keep your audience engaged. The AI offers a range of stunning transitions to choose from. Step 7. Finalizing and exporting. Once you've made all your edits, it's time to preview the entire video. Watch every slide to ensure everything flows seamlessly. If everything looks good, hit download. Your professional quality video is ready to share with the world. In summary, this AI video maker allows you to create videos from audio in minutes, customize visuals, text, and music effortlessly, produce high-quality content without expensive software or advanced editing skills. Whether you're starting a YouTube channel or creating content for social media, this tool makes the process simple and fun. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.